Oh, somebody asked me a comment on one of my videos today, the one I did today. He said, he said, somebody by the name of, let's see, is it? Yeah, hopefully left. He said, Acts 4 and 12, neither is there salvation in any other, for there is none other name under heaven given among men whereby we must be saved. He said, Shalom, Elder Ryan Love, the water for your time and energy, for the name is Yahweh, or Yahweh Shai, and Elder Tahar gave the decree to spell the Y in lowercase. A sincere, hopeful elect, just doing the best of my ability. Yahweh Shai was the name my aunt said to use. He's been in the truth longer than I. And this is an abomination, and I am apologize sincerely, Salakia. So the name is Yahweh Wa Yahweh Shai.
Yeah, the lowercase Yah.
Yeah.
Is the smallest character. The smallest character in the Hebrew alphabet.
Right.
And if you go to,
oh yeah. 1 after 5. Yeah, Matthew 5. Yep. 1, 2. Right? Yep. Yeah, that's it. Starts at Matthew 5.
Because Yahweh Shai says, he said one Yah, one
right.
Yah, you know.
So Paul Charles, it's not really the English Y to put it small case.
No. I mean, you can.
Okay. Because I think that's transliteration, right?
You know, you can put it in cap. You know,
right.
You can put the capital Y.
Right.
So that's a transliteration. And by the way, a lot of people even know it's transliteration, and even vocab went off. Use the term translate. That's a no. You went off. What does transliteration mean? Any of y'all?
It means to having one language and bringing it into another language using the letters of that language.
Right, to get the what? To
get the same sound.
Right. Get the same sound.
Right.
Like in Hebrew, you got the ba.
Right.
Let me do ba. Right.
Yep.
So, and if you transliterate it, you would put in AHBA.
Right. Right. You know, so that's in the.
So when you say it in English, same thing in the Syrian.